Example number 2. Find equation of right circular cylinder of radius 2 whose axis passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and direction cosines are proportional to 2, 1, 2. So this is the cylinder. A, B is the axis. Suppose P of x, y, z is any point, general point on the cylinder. Then from point P draw perpendicular to the axis that will meet the point in M. PM is the radius of cylinder and it is given as 2. A 1, 2, 3 is any point of the axis. So we'll start like this. AB is the axis of cylinder whose direction cosines are proportional to 2, 1, 2. So direction cosines are proportional to what? Direction cosines are proportional to direction ratios. So direction ratios of the axis are 2, 1, 2. And from there we can find direction cosines. L equal to A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. That is 2 divided by 3. M is 1 by 3 and N is 2 by 3. Now take the different distances. PM, radius of the cylinder, that is equal to 2. AP by distance formula is equal to square root of x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square plus z minus 3 square. Then AM as usual is the projection of AP on the axis and that is given by direction. The ratios of AP into direction cosines of the axis. Direction ratios of AP are x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3. Direction cosines of axis are 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Component wise multiplication and then it is simplified to get the M equal to 2x plus y plus 2z minus 10 divided by 3. Using Pythagoras theorem for the triangle APM, AP square equal to M square plus PM square. AP square and square root will cancel. Then M is substituted and then a radius of the cylinder is substituted. Then the left hand side is simplified, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 14 equal to square of numerator and square of denominator. So we have 9 in denominator. In next step the both the sides are multiplied by 9 to get the next simplification. Then it is simplified by usual method to get the final answer. Cross check the answer, see whether it is correct or not. Answer is 5x square plus 8y square plus 5z square minus 4xy minus 8xz minus 4yz plus 2x minus 16y minus 14z minus 10 equal to 0. Type number 2. So in previous type we understood examples when the radius of cylinder is given. Okay, now suppose the radius of cylinder is not given, whereas one point on the cylinder is given. Then how to find the equation of right circular cylinder? Example number 1. Determine radius of the right circular cylinder and hence obtain its equation if the cylinder passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and axis is the line x by 3, y by 2 and z by 1. Okay, so AB is the axis of cylinder. P of x, y, z is general point on the cylinder. Suppose Q, one point on the cylinder is given. Q is 1, 2, 3. So start with the axis of cylinder. AB is the axis of cylinder and its equation is x by 3 equal to y by 2 equal to z by 1. So the point on the axis is A, 0, 0, 0 and direction ratios of the axis are 3, 2, 1. Once direction ratios are known, we can find direction cosines of the axis. L equal to A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So 3 by square root of 14. M equal to 2 by square root of 14 and N equal to 1 by square root of 14. Then PM is the radius of cylinder and it is not given. So say it is equal to R. AP by distance formula is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. AM is projection of AP on the axis and it is given by direction ratios of axis into direction cosines of axis. Direction ratios of AP are x, y, z. Direction cosines of axis are written. It is simplified to get the distance AM 3x plus 2y plus z divided by square root of 14. Using Pythagoras theorem for triangle APM, AP square equal to AM square plus PM square. So square root will cancel, equal to AM square is written plus R square. Then it is simplified by usual method, multiplied on both sides by 14 and then we got the equation number 1. 5x square plus 10y square plus 30z square minus 12xy minus 6xz minus 4yz minus 14r square. So till we don't know the radius of cylinder, in next step you want to find the radius of cylinder. This is the equation of cylinder, but we know one point on the cylinder, that is Q 1, 2, 3. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. These values are substituted and r square is obtained, that is 96 divided by 14. So r equal to square root of 96 by 410 is the radius of cylinder. And then this value of r square is substituted in equation number 1 and simplified to get the equation of cylinder. Equation of cylinder is 5x square plus 10y square plus 13z square minus 12xy minus 6xz minus 4yz minus 96 equal to 0. Type number 3, right circular cylinder passing through the given circle. So as already we know that circle in 3 dimension is written in 2 different ways. One, it is intersection of sphere and plane, and another it is intersection of 2 spheres. So here we want to consider the first type. So here the circle is intersection of sphere and plane, and whatever the circle obtain, that will be the guiding curve for the right circular cylinder. Okay, so understand how to solve the example. So question is like this: find equation of right circular cylinder whose guiding curve is the circle x square plus y square x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, x minus y plus z. So guiding curve is the circle which is intersection of the sphere and plane. Sphere is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, and plane is x minus y plus z equal to 3. So find center and radius of the sphere. It is 0, 0, 0 and radius is 3. Now we want to check whether the center of sphere lies on the plane, and if it is so, the circle will be great circle. And if it is a great circle, center and radius of sphere and circle will be same, and in that case solving example will be very simple. So first we'll check whether it is a great circle or not. So center of the sphere is at 0, 0, 0. Substitute x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0 in the equation of plane. We get 0 equal to 3, which is not possible. So what is the conclusion? Circle is not a great circle. So circle is not at the center of sphere. So somewhere at other side. So just now you concentrate on the blue part. There we have a sphere is drawn and a plane is drawn. Their intersection is circle. So as usual, P is the center of circle, Q is any point on the surface of sphere, C is the center of sphere. So CQ is the radius of sphere and already known to us, that is 3. Then C 0, 0, 0 is the center of sphere. Now our aim is to find, so CP is normal to the plane x minus y plus z equal to 3. Therefore direction ratios of normal CP are the coefficients of x, y, z 1, minus 1, 1. Now we want to find equation of line PC, that is which is passing through the point C 0, 0, 0 and having direction ratios 1, minus 1, 1. So the equation of line PC will be x by 1 equal to y by minus 1 equal to z by 1. Suppose that is equal to k. From there general point on the line CP is obtained, and those are the coordinates of point P, k minus kk. Now the point P lies on the plane x minus y plus z equal to 3. So from there k is obtained. Once k is known, the coordinates of point P are known. So P1 minus 1, 1 is a center of the circle. Now what is radius of the circle? That is distance CP, that is obtained above. CP equal to root of 3k, but k is equal to 1. So CP equal to root 3. So now we know the distance CP, as well as we know the center of circle. Center of circle is at 1, minus 1, 1. So now using Pythagoras theorem for the triangle CPQ, CQ square equal to CP square plus PQ square. CQ is the radius of sphere, and that is 3. CP is obtained root 3, and from there PQ is obtained, that is root 6, and root 6 is the radius of circle. So at the end, the guiding curve for the cylinder is known, that is circle, and we know the center of circle. It is at 1, minus 1, 1 and radius is root 6. Now we want to continue with this circle. Now understand how we have to consider the cylinder. See, intersection of the sphere and plane is a circle, right? So this is the circle. This is the circle. This intersection is the circle. So this circle is a guiding curve for the cylinder. So in red color the cylinder is drawn. So now PCM is the axis of cylinder. So you can consider point P or point C as point on the axis. So let me consider a simple point C. 0, 0, 0 is a point on axis. Then suppose R of XYZ is any point on the cylinder. general point of the cylinder. From the R, draw a perpendicular to the point M. That will give Rm, and that is the radius of cylinder, equal to radius of the circle, radius of the guiding curve, and guiding curve is circle, and that is equal to √6. So now we want to use Pythagoras theorem for triangle CRM, but before that we should know all the distances. So now we'll concentrate on finding distances and then finding the equation of cylinder. Okay, PCM is the axis of cylinder and it is not